Hey there, coconut lovers. Welcome back to the Deca Wonders channel. Today, we're cracking open one of the most versatile and fascinating fruits out there, coconuts. You won't believe some of these facts. From your morning smoothie to your skincare routine, these tropical treasures are packed with surprises. Before we crack into the facts, please support our channel by subscribing. It costs you nothing and takes just a second, and we would love to have you as part of our growing YouTube family. Let's crack open some knowledge with 10 fun and amazing facts about coconuts. Alright guys, first up, buckle your seatbelts because this one's a doozy. Coconuts are not just a fruit, they're a marvel of nature. They're not just a nut, they're a triple threat. Imagine having a single item that serves multiple purposes. That's right, they're a fruit, a nut, and a seed, all rolled into one delicious package. How cool is that? It's like nature's way of giving us a multi-tool. You can drink it, eat it, and even use its shell for various purposes. You got your sweet coconut water, your crunchy coconut flesh, and let's not forget the oil that can be extracted. And the hard shell, it's got it all. From culinary uses to crafting, the coconut is truly versatile. Okay, this next one is straight out of a survival movie, but it's 100% true. You might think it's just a refreshing drink, but coconut water is so pure and hydrating, it can actually be used as a substitute for blood plasma in emergencies. Yes, you heard that right. I know, right? Mind blown. This isn't just a fun fact, it's a life-saving reality. It's basically nature's IV, packed with electrolytes that can keep you going when you need it most. Imagine being stranded and finding this natural elixir. Next time you're sipping on a coconut, remember you're basically drinking a medical marvel. It's not just a tropical treat, it's a potential lifesaver. Whether you're on a beach vacation or in a survival situation, that coconut water could be your best friend. Feeling parched? Skip the sugary sports drinks and grab a coconut. This bad boy is jam-packed with natural electrolytes, making it the ultimate thirst quencher. Potassium, magnesium, you name it, coconut water has got it all. It's like Mother Nature's own electrolyte-infused beverage. And it tastes way better than anything you'll find in a bottle. Fact 4. The Tree of Life. Coconuts are more than just a tasty treat. They hold a special place in many cultures around the world. In fact, the coconut tree is often called the tree of life. And why not? It provides food, drink, shelter, and so much more. It's like a gift that keeps on giving, and people have been relying on it for centuries. Fact 5. Coconut oil. The ultimate multitasker. Let's talk about coconut oil for a second. This humble oil has a multitude of uses that might surprise you. This stuff is like the duct tape of the natural world. It can do just about anything. From the kitchen to the bathroom and even the great outdoors, coconut oil is incredibly versatile. Need to cook up a storm? Coconut oil is your friend. It's perfect for frying, baking, and even as a healthier alternative to butter. Want glowing skin? Coconut oil to the rescue. It's a fantastic moisturizer that can leave your skin feeling soft and looking radiant. Mosquitoes bugging you? You guessed it, coconut oil can even help with that. Just mix it with some essential oils and you've got a natural insect repellent. It's basically magic in a jar. For cooking, moisturizing, or keeping bugs at bay, coconut oil is the ultimate multitasker. Fact 6. From trash to treasure. The coconut shell. Don't even think about throwing away those coconut shells. They're like little DIY projects waiting to happen. You can turn them into bowls, jewelry, musical instruments. The possibilities are endless. It's all about getting creative and giving those shells a second life. Plus, it's good for the environment, so you can feel good about it. Fact number 7. Coconuts. The ocean explorers? Ever wondered how coconut trees ended up on tropical islands all over the world? Well, get ready for this. Coconuts are natural explorers. These buoyant bad boys can float on water for months, traveling thousands of miles across oceans. Talk about an epic journey. They're like little plant pioneers spreading the coconut love far and wide. Fact 8. Coconut milk, the global superstar. Let's talk about coconut milk for a second. This creamy, dreamy ingredient is a staple in cuisines all over the world. From Thai curries to Brazilian seafood stews, coconut milk adds a touch of richness and flavor that's hard to beat. It's versatile, delicious, and let's be real, it makes everything taste better. Fact 9. Coconut husks, the tough stuff. We've talked about the coconut fruit, the water, the oil, but what about the husk? Don't worry, we didn't forget about it. That tough fibrous husk is actually incredibly useful. It's used to make coir, a natural fiber that's perfect for making ropes, mats, and even eco-friendly alternatives to traditional potting soil. Who knew something so rough could be so versatile? And finally, fact 10, coconuts. Older than your grandpa, coconuts have been around for a long, long time. Like a really long time. We're talking over 4,500 years of coconut cultivation. That means ancient civilizations were enjoying the awesomeness of coconuts way back when. These guys are practically prehistoric, and they're still going strong. And there you have it, 10 incredible facts about coconuts. Join the coconut crew. Whether you're sipping on coconut water, using coconut oil in your beauty routine, or just enjoying the tropical vibes, there's so much to love about this amazing fruit. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and interesting videos. Let me know in the comments which facts surprised you the most. See you next time.